Hi everyone, it's Darla. I just wanted to show you my other addiction besides yarn, and it's stickers. Oh my. Alright, these are from Dollar Tree, Crafter's Square, 56 pieces pop-up stickers. Aren't they gorgeous? And this is what's in the package. Some birds, some butterflies, some beautiful flowers. Yeah, 28 designs, 2 of each. And then this one, oh my, look at this. Beautiful fairies, look at her sitting on a mushroom. Oh, yeah, same thing, 52 pieces in this one. The other was 56. Look at all those fairies. Look at the fairy in the teacup, fairy door. Oh my. I didn't look that closely when I was in the store. Oh, they're gorgeous. Yes. Okay. Next one are Canada stickers. There's 19 pieces in here, it says. So I thought those were kind of nice. And more Canada stickers. Hockey. Yeah. A moose. This one I should stick on my butt. Made in Canada. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure what this one is. Maybe maple syrup? I don't know. But yeah, they're kind of cool. Pop-up stickers. And then I got these sentiment stickers. Yeah, these are pop-up as well. You get 12 in a pack. Here in Canada, these are $1.25. Here's some gold ones, 12 in a pack. Time for cake. It's always time for cake. Okay. And this, isn't this adorable? Look at these little ballerina girls. They're so sweet. These are pop-up as well. Aren't they just adorbs? Yeah. Yeah, I think they're so adorable. That would make a really cute card for someone. Yes, all right. And then I saw these and I'm like, those I haven't seen before. They're Puffy Stickers. They're really girly perfume bottles. Yeah, I thought they were nice. And then I saw these that I didn't see before. So I just had to have them. They remind me of stained glass. Puffy Stickers, 11 pieces in here. And I got 2 of everything pretty much. Because I can't just buy one. It's like chips, you can't just eat one. Yeah. And then, let's see here. These 12 pop-up stickers. Flowers. We had a beautiful butterfly. Beautiful. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful. Then there's this I hadn't seen there before either. These are also pop-up stickers. You get 12. Trying not to get glare too much. Yeah, I just think they're pretty, pretty, pretty. And then this I hadn't seen there before either. 9 in here. Look at Succulent. Yeah, Succulents. There's a whole bunch of succulents. These are all raised as well, pop-up stickers. I just think they're very beautiful. And this last one here, I hadn't seen these before. Look at these. 9-piece puffy stickers. I know who loves yellow and loves butterflies. So yes, you'll be getting some of these. Yes, 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 you know who you are. We're doing an exchange this month. Looking forward to that. I've been gathering stuff up to send. Yeah, and I'm still waiting for my Happy Mail. I have some coming from 2 people, and then there's also a yarn swap I did with someone. I'm not sure if she sent mine yet, but I sent the one to her. It'll take a while to get to her because she's in the States. I'm in Canada. Oh, also the winner of my last giveaway. I have to check to see if she's gotten it yet. She lives in the next province from me. I think this is the second time someone in my country won one of my giveaways. Yeah. Usually they're from the States or New Zealand or the UK, just somewhere else in the world. England, yeah. England, New Zealand, the States, Canada. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So next, I just want to give you an update on my tutorial for the clothing item that I'm crocheting. I have some of the recording done. I have to edit. I have to actually complete the project. It's not quite done. And it's going to be an item that you can wear 3 different ways, at least 3 different ways. So what else was I gonna say? Yeah, so I'm trying to get that done as quickly as possible just to get it out to you guys. But of course I want to, you know, make sure it's all edited nice and that it's easy to understand. When I do my tutorials, I think of what questions I had when I was first learning how to crochet, and even after I knew how to crochet. Sometimes I'd be like, oh, I can't see where you're putting that stitch. Where is it going? Like, you know, so I try to make sure my camera's close enough that I can show the exact stitch. I'm still learning, and I think I might have it down pat now. So yeah, and I appreciate all your comments on those videos telling me, you know, that everything's great. Yeah. Anywho, thank you so much for joining me today, and I love you all. Thank you so much. God bless. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.